Today, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Oh, look, it says how to make chocolate chip cookies. It says right here, chocolate chips and everything you have to use for chocolate chips cookies. Let's get started. Well, we're gonna preheat the oven. That means do it for
350 degrees.
350 degrees. Watch me do it. This is our ingredients, and this is the salt, flour, white sugar, brown sugar, oats, butter, chocolate chips, our favorite ingredient, and vanilla, and our baking soda. We have to use lots of butter. Then we put in the vanilla carefully. Oops, it got on my finger.
It's okay.
Then we're gonna blend it up. This is water, and be careful, it's hot.
Wait.
Now it's time to pour in the baking soda.
No.
Pour it into the hot boiling water. Oh!
Ah, it's hot!
Then I mix it up with a spoon. Pour it in the water. And use the blender again. Mixing it up. Then we put in all of my favorite ingredients, oats first. Then we mix it up until we add in the chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Then we mix it up. We roll these up into little balls. Whoa! Then we set it down. Oops. That looked really big from the video, doesn't it? We can put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Now they're baking. I can't wait. Cookies look like this one is what it's on the plate. I'm gonna try this one. I hope it's good. It's really, really good. Remember, anything I can do, you can do better. If you want to make chocolate chip cookies, just go right on.